Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mandy Rachel, and in this video we're going to be talking about 72 IG WhatsApp income generator course by Tony Omotosho. But before I proceed, I'd like to first and foremost say thank you for stopping by on my channel. If you're a returning subscriber and if you're meeting me for the very first time, thank you for stopping by. I assure you that this video isn't going to be a waste of your time. If you've been considering getting the Tony Omotosho's 72 IG WhatsApp income generator course, if you are wondering what's all the buzz about, if you're really thinking, is this course really worth it, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be giving you an insider's account of the 72 IG course. I'm going to be taking you through the 72 IG course, everything that you're going to be getting. So right now, very soon I'm going to be sharing my screen with you and showing you how the course looks like from the inside. So are you ready? Before then, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please like this video. Feel free to drop your comments under this video if you have any questions at all, and so also feel free to share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So right now I'm just going to go straight into the 72 IG WhatsApp income generator course by Tony Omotosho. Meanwhile, there's a special gift for you if you watch this video till the end. So make sure you watch to the end to get your gift. So here is the 72 IG course when you open it up. Now I'm showing you a mobile view so that you understand that you do not really need a laptop to take this course. So that if you don't have a laptop and you're thinking it's not for you, so let's just get into it. This is what you get when you get the 72 IG WhatsApp income generator training program by Tony Omotosho. So basically these are the things that you get. Like I said earlier, I said the training is in two parts. Part one is the 72 IG WhatsApp income generator, and this contains 3 modules. I'm going to be opening everything for you to see. So the part 2 is the 72 IG implementation program 2.0. So let's open the first part, the 72 IG WhatsApp income generator. So let's click on it and see what's up with it. Now this has 3 modules in the training. This is module 1. You can see this is module 2. Can you see? Can you see all of this? This is module 3. Now, can you see? This course also teaches you how to build your own website. So if you want to build a website, you can actually do it by yourself after taking this course. So this is it. This is it. This is it. Like, this is just the first part of the course. So can you see that? It will teach you email marketing. It will actually teach you, and there are a lot of done for you templates that you can even apply to your business, not just affiliate marketing. Now, do you see that? Now this is just the first part. 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 So this is how all the videos are. Now you can see WhatsApp funnel stage and everything. Now let's check out the second, the 72 IG implementation program. Now can you see? It's a 12 days implementation program course, and it is loaded. You see videos? You see? This is just day 1. This is just day 1. Everything you will access for day 1. This is day 2, and all the way through to, like, it is much. The course is loaded. Okay, this is that. This is that for that. Now let's check out the other things you get when you get this course. Now you get your 1-year Expertnaire affiliate account and a 50% commission. If you just sign up as an Expertnaire member, that is, you go to www.expertnaire.com to sign up, and you market this course just like that, you'll be earning 25% commission. But when you get this course through the link I'm going to put in the description or in the comments, you're going to get 50% affiliate commission. So this is that. Then you have access links to your extra bonuses. Download the full Twitter money blueprint pack. 3 done for you WhatsApp campaigns, like it's just for you to copy and paste. And you also have the opportunity to join other students every Wednesday on a 72 IG coaching class exclusive to students of this course. So this is not just a course you buy and then you're left hanging. No, there's always continuous mentorship for all 72 IG students, so you are not alone at all on this journey. Do you understand? So basically this is everything you'll be getting when you purchase the 72 IG WhatsApp income generator blueprint. So that's it, guys. Everything you need to know about the 72 IG WhatsApp income generator blueprint course has been explained in that video. If I didn't touch what you were hoping to see, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Basically, the 72 IG WhatsApp income generator course will actually make you a pro digital marketing expert, and the knowledges in this course can actually be applied to your normal brick and mortar businesses. That is your regular business that you're already doing presently. If you have a business, that is, if you're a business owner. Now back to the gifts I promised to give you at the end of this video. That gift is the 0 to Hero affiliate course by Kenny Nwokoye. Now Kenny Nwokoye actually has this course called 0 to Hero affiliate, and this course currently costs 17,500 naira as at the time I was recording this video. And now with permission from my coach, you can actually get this course free of charge. Yes, free of charge, provided you get the 72 IG WhatsApp income generator from the link I posted in the description box of this video or in the comments. I'm going to give you that course as well, free of charge. Now I'm going to make another video showing you everything that is in that course and why you shouldn't actually miss this course. You see, when you combine the 0 to Hero affiliates with the 72 IG WhatsApp income generator blueprint course together, I really don't know what's going to stop you from being a pro digital marketing expert, in addition to the fact that you can even apply all of those knowledges to your normal businesses if you are a business owner running a business currently in Nigeria. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.